Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove watermarks on your videos in CapCut PC. So copy and paste your video and select mask and select the rectangle. You'll need a kind of like big portion of your video and make sure it's similar to the part that you want to erase, like that. Then I'm going to go back to basic and I'm going to move it to the left side. Go back to mask and feather it out a little bit. It's not going to be super accurate here, but as you can see, it did kind of remove it, as you can see on the right. That's pretty much it really. You do have to feather it out to blend it in a little bit more. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. You can also adjust it a little bit here to look more like the side on the left. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.